Got to have a real love. Brooklyn, Brooklyn. I don't know why I did. Why did I have to go that hard? Y'all know where I'm from. Stop playing with me. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite synthetic wig influencer. If I'm not, hopefully I will be. Okay. If you new here, welcome to Who's That Girl, where we do everything synthetically. But if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get her all the way together. And at the end of this video, I'll give you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, let's go ahead and get it. Now that I have gotten her all the way together, let me go about giving you her details. This is an Outre wig. I got her off of wigtypes.com and her name is Lori. Got her in the color Deep Auburn. I was really looking to get her in the deep burgundy, but she was already sold out. So I got her in the Deep Auburn. Perfect for fall. Now she is a Perfect Hairline Collection. And her specs reads as so. She is fully hand-tied 13x4 frontal, ear-to-ear soft HD lace, natural baby hairs, comes with pre-attached elastic band, fast and easy, effortless, glueless install, pre-plucked hairline, and heat-safe friendly. It doesn't say up to what degrees, but she's heat-safe friendly. Okay, so now Miss Lori comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. She is definitely big head friendly. I didn't get any tangles or any shedding from her at all. When she says she's glueless, they mean it. Okay, because I'm wearing her glueless right now as we speak. I just laid down a couple of these baby hairs and as you can see, she's good to go. Okay, the elastic band is doing what it's supposed to do. Now, she does have ear-to-ear lace. Like, and when they say ear-to-ear, like the lace comes all the way down here, so you don't have to worry about that. Her texture is silky, but she's definitely cute. She's not giving off that Barbie feel. Now, I purchased this wig for my birthday because I already knew it was going to be either this one or another wig because I was wearing all black. Hence the turtleneck, which I do not like. I don't even know what this is, but whatever. That's neither here or there. That's neither here or there. I already got it on. I'm not about to change it. So this is the look. Again, she is a 13x6, so you can part her in the middle and do a little something like, oh, she's giving Oompa Loompa right there. But you can part her in the middle and do a little something like that. Or you can part her on this side and do a little something like that if you want to. But I decided to do her on this side. And yeah, I think she's cute. Would I buy her again? I definitely will in different colors because she is adorable. I'll turn around and show you what she looks like in the back. Of her curls, I think they're super duper cute. Y'all let me know in the comments below what you think about Miss Thing. I think she's very cute. I can't remember her price range, so I'll put her somewhere down here. Would I buy her again? I definitely will in different colors because I'm giving this one to my mom. She already put her bid in for this one. Hence why I'm doing a quick review. But I feel like in that deep auburn, she would be adorable. I really, really like this wig. The color, the cut, the style of her is very cute. It's giving 90s type of vibe. If you wanted to, you could pluck her some more. I just didn't want to interrupt the curl, so I didn't. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. You can customize this wig to whichever way you want her to look. I think I would cut her some more around my ears just to give her more realistic look, because you see I have all this right here and I feel like it needs to be cut off just so that my ears can poke out and it looks like it's my hair. I would give Miss Thing a solid 8. She is cute. She is adorable. I like her. Yeah. One of the type of synthetic wigs you definitely need in your collection. Okay? You heard that from me. It is. Now, with that being said, thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you happen to like what you see, guys, help a sister out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. Because, baby, look at that side. Look at that side view. You see that? You see that? She bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you in my next video. Bye. I'm going to take this shirt off because what the heck was I thinking? All right, guys. Bye.